Markets are changing, and companies are struggling to keep up, seeking business in new areas of the world. As the companies change, associations are left to react, looking into the future and trying to determine what products and services to offer and where. Predictive analytics can serve as a tool for our organizations to keep up and even look ahead into the future. They can draw us a picture of what our activities and revenue will probably look like in new markets. We conduct predictive analytics based on internal and external sources that describe future member or customer behavior to help us make better decisions about where to invest our time and money to support our constituents and the sector where they work. More specifically, they can help us retain or grow members and predict product sales and conference attendance. If we imagine predicting conference attendance through a predictive analytics model, we can look at historical data that is descriptive, years in the profession, distance from the event, interests, behavioral, attendance at events, purchases, community participation, web click streams, industry, prices, sales, company investments, hiring patterns, and macroeconomic data, GDP growth, unemployment rate, currency conversion rate. We look at the data's relationship with the behavior we want to predict to define what is most important. Do the years in the profession or proximity to the event correlate highly with attendance at a conference? Once we have our indicators, we start developing our model. We begin with historical data and divide it into training and test sets. Training sets are the portion of your data that you use to create the model. Test sets test the model to see if it is better than random guessing. Our training set could have something like 80% of the data, while the test set contains 20%. We run the sample data through an algorithm, regressions, classifiers, clustering algorithms, and then we develop our model. Once we have a model, we can run our test data to find out how accurate the model is. Our accuracy is the number of correct predictions about who would attend the conference over the total number of observations in the test set. When we know we have a good model, we can input our new data and determine who will be at our upcoming conference and where we should hold it. And in the end, how much revenue the event will bring our association.